Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm back doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are not having any high impact news into the market today. So let's directly move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we can see is that the price is having this FVG, and the price reacted from that FVG and moved into the downward side. Currently, the bias is still not much clear into the monthly levels because we are in a sideways zone closing within the candles range. So let's move to the weeklies. As we move into the weeklies, uh, the price is quite accumulated and we can't see anything much clear. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, we have some clarity with this BPR range, which the price has tapped 50% of it and then moved into the higher side, creating a new BPR into the levels. And right now, the price has tapped this BPR level and moved into the upside direction. So I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to tap this level. That is, I'm anticipating about 10 to 15 pips upside move. And then we are going to see a reaction in the other side. So let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hour, what we have is that we are having this FVG range into the price, which aligns with the daily range of wick, and the price is already moving higher. So let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hour, things become more clear because we see that the price created one more FVG into the levels, and the price is now supporting bullish move with FVGs into the upside direction, and in the downward direction the price is mitigating everything. So I missed one more fine detail into the levels, was that was in dailies. Let's move back to dailies. Since it is Monday today, more likely we can have a volume imbalance. Not there, not there. No issues. So I was continuing with this upside move, and I was telling that we are having BPR and FVG within this upside move. So I'm anticipating that we are more bullish than bearish into the market today, and we are going to move into the upside direction, taking this high as one of the liquidities to the markets. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating that most likely in Asia session or London session manipulation, more likely kill zone manipulation, I'm anticipating that uh, this Asia session high will be taken. 50% of this Asia high will be treated as the support for the price, and then we are going to go higher towards this level mitigation. That is, I'm anticipating now. Let me draw it. I'm anticipating now that the price can come down, mitigate the higher time frame FVG, and then move into the higher direction towards this level. And if that doesn't happen, more likely, if we are going to disrespect this level, the lower support levels will be the ultimate supports, and that will be my trade plan if this level fails precisely. But right now we are in a zone where the price is supporting the bullish moves in 1 hour, and I'm anticipating a bullish side into the price. So this is pretty much it, and do write me into the comments with that what are your bias and how do you see the market. And now I'm having this candle's low as an invalidation zone for the trend change. Uh, this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.